Delhi to Prayagraj will only be covered in 6 hours after Ganga Expressway is developed. Hi friends, the construction of Ganga Expressway will start in coming September, and this will be second largest expressway of India which connects western UP and eastern UP. The travel time between Delhi to Prayagraj, which in today's date takes about 12 hours, will be reduced significantly to 6 hours. Development of any country or state from industrial and financial perspective is highly dependent on the quality of highways and good connectivity between major cities. About a decade ago, it was quite famous that if you travel in UP government buses, then everything except the horn will make huge noise. This was due to the pathetic road condition of the state. But this is not the case now, and UP already has exceptional expressways, and multiple expressways are coming up which can be compared to the best in the world. Let's discuss where exactly Ganga Expressway will be built and which all cities it will connect. Ganga Expressway will be 594 kilometers long, and it will be second largest expressway of India after Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. Ganga Expressway will be from Meerut to Prayagraj. If we talk about the exact starting point, it will start from Bijoli village of Meerut and end at Judhapur Dandu village of Prayagraj. The 12 districts which will be connected by expressway are Meerut, Hapur, Bulandshahr, Amroha, Sambal, Badaun, Shahjahanpur, Hardoi, Unnao, Raebareli, Pratapgarh and Prayagraj. In addition to that, it will also connect 519 villages. The entire cost of the project is 36,000 crores. As per the state government, 90% of land acquisition has already been completed, and the project is planned to be completed in 26 months. Let's talk about key features of the expressway. There will be two main toll plazas at Meerut and at Prayagraj, and along the way there will be 15 ram toll plazas. The top speed allowed on the expressway is 120 kilometers per hour, and this is the highest permissible speed in India. If we talk about the width of the expressway, initially it will be 6 lanes which will be expandable up to 8 lanes. The right of way of the expressway is proposed as 120 meters. Right of way is the total land area acquired for the construction of the expressway. It also takes care of future widening of the road and installation of any public utilities. A service road of 3.75 meters will be developed on the side of the expressway so that nearby villagers will get smooth transportation. An airstrip will be constructed on the expressway so that Indian Air Force can do emergency landing of the planes. Airstrip will be constructed in Sultanpur district. Concrete wall will be developed on the side of the expressways so that cattle and nearby villagers are not harmed on the high-speed expressway. The expressway project is divided into 12 packages to make sure that it is completed on time and there is no delay. This is an effective concept of project management to divide the project into multiple tasks and assign responsibility so that each task is managed efficiently and quality is maintained. If we talk about bridges and flyovers on this massive expressway, there will be 14 major bridges, 126 minor bridges and 18 flyovers. Infrastructure development is very important to take the country ahead, and Ganga Expressway will be absolute delight for commuters and tourists. Thank you so much friends. This is Dr. Vinod Singh. Goodbye.